if I told you that it would be possible for anybody to stop paying their bills for gas, electric, and water? What if I told you that there was a new technology out there called free energy, also known as new energy? It's a resource that is made up of toruses, okay? Now let's slow down here a moment. Let's talk about this free energy. The way it works is how the human body works, how the universe is working, and how life on Earth works. Let me tell you here. Okay, toruses. Toruses is the math term, or let's say the formula of how this new energy works. A torus is, as I can show you here, a picture. Picture of a torus. As you see here, the circular shape of the energy goes into, and then out. For example, this apple here. A torus, the energy is flowing from the bottom through the apple, from the top to the bottom. Also an orange, same thing. Okay. Now, torus can be found in many different places with many different things. For example, in the universe, in the galaxy, a torus is always found. It's how life works. It's how the universe works. It's how life is sustainable on Earth. The way a torus works is how this new energy resource works in itself. It's self-propelling, and it works through the same way. It goes from the bottom up and back down. The issue here is not creating or inventing this new energy resource. It's already been invented by scientists before in past time. The problem is marketing this new energy resource and giving it to the people. You see here, it's bad for business. What this means is, if this was to take effect in our community today, say we had this new energy resource with in the United States, that would be bad for business. That means no more oil companies, no more PG&E. So the reason why I stated this, no more PG&E, no more oil companies, is because if you have energy that gives off energy by itself, that means you wouldn't have to pay the bills for it, right? This means that ultimately the businesses before that used to make money off of the people paying for gas or electric and all this stuff, and all these bills, right? This means that they wouldn't be making money. So that's intimidating to those companies. They can't allow that to happen. It's competition, survival of the fittest. So that's why it's so difficult to market this new energy resource, because yeah, it's gonna help the planet. It's gonna help a lot of those third world countries, industrial countries. The reason why they're so poor is because of lack of energy. And now that, say, we got this new energy resource, we would give to them, they would be more efficient and safe and clean energy, pure energy. But on the other hand, that means no money is being made to what we're doing now, and which is paying for the PG&E, paying for electric, and all those upper companies. So ultimately what it comes down to is that people have to band together, and instead of promoting the energy through big corporations and selling it out to the people, you do it within yourselves. And it's kind of like a black market, you could look at it that way. Because if you take it to, say, like a Walmart or like an electronics store, you have a good chance of getting shut down. and having all you worked for just thrown out the window. You're taking a risk when you're trying to sell this product. It's not easy. People have been killed, scientists in particular. There is energy out there, free, pure energy for people to use. It's just we gotta get our hands on it. We gotta start getting it, start using it, and applying it in our lives, so we can help the planet. Because we're self-destructing ourselves with pollution, and it falls into many other things. So it's up to us if we want to take the risk of having a pure, more efficient, and safer